Hey everyone! Creating a pop-up in Webflow with native interactions is a great way to maintain fast site speeds while keeping your design flexible. Here is your specific step-by-step script for building a no-code modal. Step 1. Create the modal structure. The pop-up is actually just a hidden layer that sits on top of your entire website. Drag a div block onto your page and name it modal wrapper. Set its position to fixed and full. Set the z-index to a high number, like 9999, to ensure it stays on top. Set the display to flex, then center both horizontal and vertical alignment. Set its initial display to none so it's hidden while you work on the rest of your site. Step 2. Design the background and content. Inside the modal wrapper, add another div block named modal background. Set its position to absolute/full and give it a semi-transparent black background. Also inside the modal wrapper, add a third div block named modal content. This is where you put your text, forms, or images. Give it a white background and some padding. Step 3. Add a trigger button. You need something for the user to click to make the pop-up appear. Place a button anywhere on your page, like Learn More. Go to the Interactions panel, H icon, click the plus next to Element Trigger, and choose Mouse Click, Tap. Step 4. Configure the Show interaction. Under On First Click, select Start an Animation and click the plus to create a new one named Show Modal. First, select the modal wrapper, set its Hide Show action to flex, and then set its opacity to 0% as the initial state, then animate it to 100% over 0.5 seconds for a smooth fade-in effect. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.